Hey guys, my name is Spencer Crofoot, and this is how I'm starting my day. I'm going to show you guys how to be photo shoot ready with your hair. This is my hair tutorial. Guys, so my first step is that I always brush my hair. So if you're ever fixing your hair, you should brush it the way you're going to fix it. The reason why I do my sides like that, because I like to push my sides back, and I leave a crease right here so I can leave a line. And I make it very clean because that's how I like to do my look. So throughout the day it starts clean and then it gets a little bit more messier, and that's how I like it. Guys, you should leave it a little bit damp. I do that so I can lift it forward when I'm done. Alright guys, so I'm gonna blow dry my hair right now. If you did it right, your hair should be able to basically be fixed already. As you see, my hair is already fixed. I just need to touch it up. So my next step is my paste. I use Duke Cannon. Super cheap, super easy to use, and it's very good texture. You can mess it up or you can make it clean. Guys, I don't use a lot of paste. I just use a little bit. So I've known that a lot of guys use tons of paste. You're wasting your money. Just use a little bit of paste and a little bit of mixture and you guys will be perfect. Alright, so I like to do this motion. So I slick it back to this direction. Then I push it back from right here so I can leave that crease. As you see, that's happening right now. And then I push my sides like this. There you go. And then I push my back, and then I lift above the ears. The reason why I lift above the ears is because of the fact it looks cleaner. Shows your jawline more. Last step, guys, hairspray. This is $1 hairspray. It's so awesome, it's super cool. So what I'm gonna do here, last finishing touches, is spray like this, spray in the back, and then I'm gonna push with that motion again. Alright guys, that's the hair. So with this, you're done. It's clean, and throughout the day, it's gonna get messier. So if you liked a little bit later in 5 minutes, just press it all up and you guys will be perfect. Hope you guys had a beautiful day, and I hope you liked the video.